Hello everyone. Do you know that I can provide the answers to these questions within seconds? Yes, I mean it. Within seconds. Well, let's go there. 12, 26, 34. You are wondering, how? I mean it. How? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to arrive at this kind of answers within seconds. You don't need calculator. You can do it offhand. Believe you me. I will show you now. It's interesting. Well, let's go there. Let's go there. Now, let's observe the numbers that are divided by 9 in each case. All right. The first one is 108. What did we do here? Look at 108. It's a 3-digit number. So add all digits together. 1 plus 0 plus 8. That will give you 9. Look at the second one. 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 will give you 9. The third one, 306. 3 plus 0 plus 6. The whole give you 9. Beautiful. So, for this method or this trick to be applicable, the sum of the digits number must be equal to 9. Fine. Okay. Now, the next thing now, for this thing to be applicable, let's take them one by one, is mapping. There's something we call mapping of these numbers. What do you mean by the mapping? Let's look at them. Let's look at them. Let's start with this. Sorry about this. This is right, the mapping. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So this will be 9, this will be 8, this will be 7, this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Fine. So that means when we map 9, what do I mean by this? You understand now. What I mean by this, you understand. Okay? You understand. So what I mean by this mapping is, look at all the numbers given. You know they are all 3-digit number. Fine. Now the last number, you have to consider the last number and the first number. But basically here, we want to look at the mapping of the last number. You know, in the first example, you are given 108. Say 108 divided by what? By 9. Good. Now, the last digit number here is 8. I hope you can see that. Fine. 8. So 8 we map to. How? What do I mean by this? Fine. You know, anytime you see, if the first condition has been met, that is when you have added all the digit number, it gives you 9. It means this method is applicable. Believe you me. Trust me, it's going to work. Yeah. It looks like magic. It's a trick. Okay? Now, this number ends with 8. Now, 8 goes to 2. Always remember, 2 also goes to 8. So, if 8 maps 2, then 2 maps 8. It's 1 to 1 and it's invertible. All right. So, that means that the answer you're going to have here will end in 2. The last number will be 2. Believe you me. So, I pick 1, which is the first digit number. Say 1. Okay? And the last number, I say it's going to end in what? 2. You write 2. Where did I get my 2? Because 8 we map 2. Simple. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is what? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 all over 9. Okay? The last number here, the last digit number is 4. So 4 maps what? 6. So your answer must be what? Must end in 6. And the first digit number is what? It's 2. So you put 2 and 6. That's all. You check your calculator. That's the answer. Now let's look at another one. In the example given, 306. 306. All over what? All over 9. Okay? Now the last number ends in what? 6. 6 maps 4. Okay? As 4 maps 6, 6 also maps 4. So 6 maps 4. So the last number will end in 4. They pick 3 here. So you have 3, 34. So these are how the maps go. Okay? These are how they go. Now let me give you these short exercises. So put the answer in the comment section. That is one of the wonders of mathematics. Okay? Now do this. Try this. Try this. 1, 5, 2, 2 divided by 9. And what again? And 7, 0. Let's try this. 7. Okay, 801. 801 divided by 9. So put your answer in the comment section. Bye.